Welcome back to SoftCars Automotive Digital Solutions channel. In this training video, we are walking through the step-by-step installation and manual activation of Xentry PassThru 06 2026. You can download the software using the link in the video description. To ensure a smooth installation, we must first prep Windows. Navigate to your files, extract the Defender control folder. Next, temporarily disable Windows security protections and Microsoft Defender firewall for all network profiles. To prevent Windows from turning these protections back on, open the extracted Defender control utility. Run dcontrol as an administrator and click Disable Windows Defender. Once the window banner turns red, the lockout is complete. This ensures the environment is ready for the Xentry installation without background interruptions. Next, extract the main Xentry PassThru installer files. Navigate into the folder, right-click setup.exe and select Run as Administrator to begin the setup. Choose English as your installation language, click OK, and the wizard will automatically configure the necessary system prerequisites for the software suite. Advance through the Setup wizard. Select the European Marketeer configuration option, accept the licensing agreement, and keep the default directory on your C drive. Click Install. Once completed, exit the wizard, but decline the prompt to reboot your computer immediately, as we have further configurations to complete. We will now apply the offline patch. Extract the FullFix archive, open the folder, and run the patch setup as an administrator. Open the password text file, copy the password string, and paste it directly into the Setup wizard prompt to continue the patching process. Keep Xentry, offline account and DAS checked, then finish the wizard. Next, right-click the desktop shortcut for ConfigAssist and run it as an administrator. Advance to the Install Start Key page and copy your system's unique hardware ID to your clipboard. This ID is essential for generating your activation key. Open the folder that contains your activation tools and launch the official Xentry activation utility. Enter your hardware ID in the designated field, set the application ID to 252, and choose your desired license expiration date, for example, June 2031. Generate the start key. Copy the key, open ConfigAssist, select Manual Registration, paste the activation key into the required field, and click Save to complete the software registration. Launch Xentry Diagnostics as an administrator and choose SADP only. Attempt an offline login by typing 11 in the username field. If the initial attempt displays a failure message, simply close the program, launch it as an administrator again, and log back in with 11 to bypass the screen. To enable offline communication features, launch the ZenZefi UI browser console. Extract the ZenZefi certificate files from the downloaded archive to a local folder on your computer. Check the ZenZefi console, then click the Import button to begin importing the certificate files into the system. Select all standard CA certificate files and import them. Once complete, open Xentry and select your target vehicle class. The system is now fully operational. You can download the software using the link in the video description. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive digital solutions.